How to fix ChatGPT unable to upload files on your iPhone. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to go ahead and simply open up the App Store on your mobile device. And then in the search bar, simply search for ChatGPT. Scroll down, then tap onto it. And if you see any update button instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen, open up settings. Inside settings, simply tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and inside here search for ChatGPT. Scroll down, and then once you found it, tap onto it, tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. When you do this, you'll be able to clear the cache. Once you've done that, reinstall the application. Now after that, you can simply go back and see if the problem is fixed or not. If not, long press on ChatGPT, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, then tap on delete again. Once deleted, open the App Store and then reinstall ChatGPT. With this few solutions, you will be able to fix your problem. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.